EPAM is a global digital innovation company. We build digital experiences, products and services and platforms for global clients. EPAM Optiva Media is partnering with AWS to build metaverse experiences, because what we are building are experiences that cannot only run on a VR headset, but it needs the power of the cloud. We are building experiences by using compute power and storage in the cloud and combining it with the capabilities of a virtual reality headset. And then we create immersive experiences in the metaverse that are really breathtaking and new and different. And why did we do this? Because in the metaverse, it's all about immersive content you care about. And if you're a telco operator working in one European market, you want to provide to your customer base local content. Exciting content that you cannot get from the global platforms. Our team from EPAM Optiva Media has partnered with Vodafone to build a metaverse specifically for local audiences, in this case for Spain, and we've created a metaverse version which is local language, local content, and really tailored to a local audience. And this is a very different emotional experience than anything you could get from any of the global platforms. Of course, there are also like global providers, but they will never reach that local level of detail that audiences expect. And you need both, yeah? It's not one or the other. We always will have both levels of metaverse experiences, the more local versions, which are much more tailored, and then also the global platforms, which are more like one size fits all. The metaverse is heavily work in progress, yeah, for us and everybody else in the game, but it's also pretty obvious that there will be a new layer of experiences that we cannot really imagine yet. Yeah, we see glimpses of it, but technology gets better, and with the power of the cloud and some creative use cases, I think we can create stuff which will really wow us on a very different level from the experiences we are used to today.